Once you're at here, you have to create a new account. So you can click on sign up for free, and then you can put in your details and sign up. So okay, so let's log in. Once you've logged into your account, go to the on your left, there's a section called integration. Click on integration and then click on add new store. Okay, so since we're using Woocommerce on our WordPress website, I'm going to click on Woocommerce. Okay, so here's where you should put in your website name. So for me, the name of my website is Deal Mudah, and this is the URL. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay, so my shop name is Deal Mudah, and my WooCommerce store URL would be https dealmudah.com. Okay, click on the next step. Okay, once you're in the next step, you have to go into the backend of your website. So click /wp admin. Okay, once you're at the backend of your website, go to WooCommerce and go to settings. Okay, so right now Parcel is requesting WooCommerce consumer key and WooCommerce consumer secret. So this is a key where you generate on your website, on your WooCommerce website. So go to settings and then click on advanced. Once you're at advanced, click on REST API and then click add key. Okay, so here's where you should put any description. So for right now, I'm just going to put easy parcel test. Okay, this description can be anything that you like. You can put in your user, which would be you, and permission, change that to read and write, then generate API key. Okay, so you have generated your consumer key and your consumer secret. Copy both of these keys and then paste it right here. So WooCommerce consumer key, and then copy your consumer secret. So WooCommerce consumer secret. Okay, as for version, change this to simple version. Okay, click on the next step. Okay, once you're at the next step, which is fill in the create new WooCommerce integration, fill in the details below. Okay, so you can customize your weight unit. For me it would be kilogram. Your auto import, I'll put it yes. Auto merge, yes. And send by courier company, and choose your courier company. For me, that it would be Post Laju National Courier. Okay, now at the marketing tool, you might not want to check Waybill branding because that wouldn't be important for us. What we usually do is we'll check on tracking SMS and tracking email. Click on submit. Okay, so you have successfully connected your Parcel to your WooCommerce website. Okay, so this would be I right now have two because I made one earlier, but for you it would be one. So you can click on this and then you can click on import complete. Okay, so one more thing you have to do is you have to go back to your website. Okay, go to webhooks. Okay, once you're at webhooks, mine I have all of this, but for you might be empty. Make sure it's not disturbed. Make sure if it's empty, just leave it empty. Then go to legacy API. Okay, once you're at legacy API, you need to check enable the legacy REST API. So if you don't check this, the Parcel would not work. Okay, so click on legacy, check on enable the legacy REST API, and we go to woocommerce.com. Okay, once you're at woocommerce.com, click allow usage of WooCommerce to be tracked, so you can check that and then save changes. Okay, Once everything is done, you've successfully connected your WooCommerce your WooCommerce website to your Easy Parcel, and you can click this, go to import, check imported orders.